Lorenzo, what do we have here? Whoa, what is that? Wow. They're all sandy. Look at that. They're all sandy and dirty. Oh, and look at this. This is yucky too. All right, I'm gonna bring this one over there. Do you wanna bring these monster trucks over there?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Whoa, are you drinking the water? Wow. Well, look at this. Get this guy all nice and clean. Look, now we got this big puddle we could drive through. And Max D, look at him. He's so clean. Yeah. Look at that.
Yay!
I forgot to tell them. Say hi, friends.
Hello.
Ooh. Look, Lorenzo. I found a couple of other monster trucks that also need to be cleaned. Look at this one. And look at this one. Ooh, this is a cool Hot Wheels one. Nice. Look at that.
Yay! Choo-choo, Daddy.
Choo-choo. How are you gonna get that train out of the middle?
Yay!
Just like that?
Yes.
Wow, that was easy.
Yeah, I could.
Oh. That's another one to join them. Is that a plane? Let's see. Where is it? I hear it. There it is. I see it, Lorenzo. It's right up there. Do you see it? Look, right above us. Oh, look at those cars. They're really wet over there. Look at Max D. He's just, they're all on their side. How are you gonna get them out?
Yeah. Me too, Daddy.
Bring it over here.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Me too, Daddy.
Look who we have here. We got the choo-choo train, we got full bore, we got the Hot Wheels version of Megalodon, we got, what is this? What is this guy right here? He's like a dragon, isn't he? And we got Max D. You too? Oh, you're getting wet. Look at the water. Do you see that, Lorenzo? Look at where the water is going. You see all this water? Look at that. Look, let's follow the water. The water is coming all the way. It's going over here. And then it's going down there into the grass. Oh, look, look. There's more water. It's just flowing. Let's see the water flowing. Oh, Lorenzo, look at this. This is a stream over here, too. See the stream of water? The stream of water is going all the way down into there. Let me see you jump. Nice. We got all these cars. Ooh, look, he's a new one. He must be one of the Hot Wheels ones. Look, we got some Hot Wheels and we got some regular. Ooh, nice. Ooh, wow, look at that one. What kind of car is it? Let's look at the bottom here. It is 63 Studebaker. Made in 2010. Look at that. So it's from 1963, but this car was made in 2010, Lorenzo. What's this one? This one says it is a 41 Willys. Okay. Nice. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job.
Yeah.
Big Red?
Yeah.
Do you think he fits down there? Will he be able to make it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Ah. Whoa, that works.
Yeah.
That works. That gets him in there, huh?
Yeah. Two dozen.
Yeah.
The two cards. Yeah.
Look at that. Lightning McQueen. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't even barely go in the water. Look at that. He landed right on top.
Yeah.
Oh, look, another Lightning McQueen. Wow.
Uh-oh.
He's upside down. Who's next?
Yeah.
Ooh, another Lightning McQueen. We got a lot of Lightning McQueens, huh? Dinoco Cruise.
The baby car.
Oh, a baby car. What? What is he gonna do?
Yeah.
He's gonna go down? Okay, let's see.
No.
He didn't even make it. Oh, so close.
Yay!
Look at the little baby car. Ooh, Finn McMissile. Where's it gonna go? Look, the water's finding its way. Look at those two. Doc Hudson, wow.
Wow, cold.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Doc he's upside down.
Yeah. Yay.
Doc and Lightning McQueen.
Good, Daddy.
I like it. Sally and Lightning McQueen.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Look at Sally in there.
The boo-boo, Daddy.
Both of the Tokios. Wow, look at that. There's some water going down the track. What if we pour some water down the track? Let's see. Wow, look at the water. It just goes all the way down and it comes out at the bottom.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Ooh.
Good job.
Ooh.
Good.
Ooh, animals.
Yeah, no more. It's all in there. Oh! He didn't make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Ah. Yay.
Sheriff.
Ah. Ah.
Think you could fit any more in there?